Hey guys, I'm back again with one more problem from the lesson Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. This problem had appeared in JEE Mains 2020. So let's begin. NaClO3, that is sodium chlorate, is required even in spacecrafts to produce O2. The daily consumption of pure oxygen by a person is 492 liters at 1 atmospheric pressure 300 Kelvin. How much amount of NaClO3 in grams is required to produce oxygen for the daily consumption of a person at 1 atmospheric pressure and 300 Kelvin? Now, the equation is provided in the numerical itself, making it much more easier. What we have to find out is mass of NaClO3. So, the moment we have to find out mass, the thing that should click to our brain, to our mind, is molar mass, that is standard mass. So, standard mass, which is molar mass, we can find it out like this: sodium 1 atom multiplied by the atomic mass 23 plus chlorine 1 atom multiplied by the atomic mass 35.5 plus oxygen 3 atoms multiplied by the atomic mass 16. So we get it as 106.5 gram mole inverse. Now we will also find out the molar mass of oxygen since we will be requiring it later on. So 2 atoms of oxygen multiplied by 16, that is 32 gram mole inverse. Now in this numerical we cannot use stoichiometry of like mass and volume relationship. The reason is the volume which we measure is actually at standard temperature, but over here the temperature is 300 Kelvin, which is not standard. So we can't use a direct mass volume relationship. So what we are going to do is first of all find out the mass of oxygen. Now how do we do that? We will use ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. Now N stands for the number of moles, and the number of moles is given by the formula mass upon molar mass multiplied by RT. So the mass of oxygen would be equal to pressure into volume multiplied by the molar mass, and of course that is of oxygen, divided by R into T. The pressure given in the numerical is 1 atmospheric pressure multiplied by the volume, that is 492 liters, multiplied by the molar mass 32, divided by the universal gas constant, that is 0.082, multiplied by the temperature, that is 300 Kelvin. So here we get the mass of oxygen 640 grams. Now we can use the relationship from the equation. That means we are now going to use stoichiometry. Observe, this is mass relationship. 1 mole of NaClO3 will be corresponding to 1 mole of oxygen. So let's write down that. 1 mole of sodium chlorate corresponds to 1 mole of oxygen gas. Therefore, we can also write down the relationship between the standard mass, that's molar mass, 106.5 grams of NaClO3 corresponds to 32 grams of oxygen. Therefore, we have 640 grams of oxygen, which we have found out over here. This corresponds to question mark. So like this we can get the mass of sodium chlorate. So let's cross multiply 106.5 into 640 divided by 32. So we get the answer as 2130 grams of sodium chlorate. That means these many grams of sodium chlorate can be producing the oxygen requirement for a person for one day. That is daily consumption. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my channel.